Hey, what is up, guys? So, look what showed up to SEMA. You guys remember this from Copart when we were banging sand and stuff out of it? Well, Freddie is here, and he's got the car in somewhat assembled condition. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, guys, and we are back at SEMA with another video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. There is a very special car that I want to show you guys today. No, not that DeLorean, something a little more special. Back to the future electric style, huh? So they got the new DeLorean looking like the old DeLorean, but you notice that grille, there's no air passing through that. So a fully electric DeLorean. Kind of awesome. Kind of awesome. Nice. Oh, it's got a gas engine too. Nice, nice, nice. So is it just gas? Why is it they're talking about, unless they, I know DeLorean was selling electric cars. Maybe they're doing both or exhibiting both. That's clean. Look at that instrument cluster. All digital, very clean. And then you got the original, the old school, right here. Totally different from that. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Back to the future electric style, huh? So they got the new DeLorean looking like the old DeLorean, but you notice that grille, there's no air passing through that. So a fully electric DeLorean. Kind of awesome. Kind of awesome. Nice. Oh, it's got a gas engine too. Nice, nice, nice. So is it just gas? Why is it they're talking about, unless they, I know DeLorean was selling electric cars. Maybe they're doing both or exhibiting both. That's clean. Look at that instrument cluster. All digital, very clean. And then you got the original, the old school, right here. Totally different from that. Wow. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And no, it's actually not Donkmaster's Caprice Impala, whatever this thing is, the monster that he normally runs. Wow. It's nice to see that he's got his cars out here on the floor, though. That's a nice surprise. I like this one right here, too. Oh, boy. Very clean, very clean. Very, very clean. I don't know what it is with all these DeLoreans, but they are in the building today, man. They're everywhere. And everybody has to know what this is right here, right? Have to know what this is. Just wow. I guess I should expect to see a lot of these Fast and the Furious remake cars here.
Well, that, you know.
Hey, what is up, guys? So, look what showed up to SEMA. You guys remember this from Copart when we were banging sand and stuff out of it. Well, Freddie is here, and he's got the car in somewhat assembled condition. It looks extremely clean. Looks good. Exceptionally clean. You can see the interior is all redone. Looks really, really, really good. It's got a different hood and all that stuff in here. And you got the new hood right there. He says he's got a custom body going on to this thing. And this was the biggest thing at the Valvoline booth. I got a chance to talk to him for a couple of minutes about it. And this thing is very, very, very clean. Compared to where it started with. I would say for sure you don't see the hours of work and the pain and suffering you have to go through when you put something together like this. And even some of the cracks and stuff at the front, he's got this stuff all but put back together. It looks really, really, really clean. Man. Well, let me know what you guys think about Tavarish's P1 in the comments below. You can see the stuff that's capped off here in the rear. Lots more work. It's got a custom, like I said, custom body coming in on it. I'm excited. It was cool to see this thing at SEMA. And when I saw the notification on Instagram, I was actually shocked to see this thing in here. So stay tuned. And this is absolutely clean. So again, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. I love to see all the work that's done on this thing already, and it's absolutely positively beautiful. Well, guys, let me know what you guys think about the P1 from Tavarish at the Valvoline booth in the comment section down below. And stay tuned. I have a bunch more coverage coming for the rest of this week from SEMA 2023. If there's a specific build or something that you guys want to see, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys very soon on the next one. It's pretty slick. Really cool.